Good morning, everybody. Myself Alok Murnal, and I'm in ECE branch of KLIT Hubballi. So my project title is IPL Score Predictor. So nowadays there are many apps that support these prediction, and many of them make money also. So even though these are kind of bad habits, but they are also used everywhere now and then. So my project is IPL Score Predictor. So I have imported few libraries. Those are Pandas and NumPy for Pandas for reading the CSV files and NumPy for other calculations. Matplotlib and PyPlot for displaying the validation loss versus the graph, and Seaborn also for displaying the graphs. And from sklearn is used for scikit-learn, so it is used for pre-processing the data, and Keras for saving the AI model into Keras format, and TensorFlow for AI model. So first of all, I have taken the CSV file which has the IPL scores from 2008 to 2022. So this is the sample of the taken data, and this has the each IPL team's data from 2008 to 2022 over by over analysis. So this is my data. Now we have dropped a certain features like date, runs, wickets, overs. So date is not used here, so some of the features are dropped. Now label encoding. The label encoding converts the categorical features into numerical labels. So we have label encoded the venue, batting team, bowling team, striker and bowler. So these are the columns of the data I have taken. Next we have from skill learning we have label encoded all of these, and we have transformed the categorical features with label encoding. Now we have trained test split, that is training the model. So from sklearn we have trained the model by splitting the data into two sets, that is test set and train set. So next we have scaler, that is min max scaler. It is used to fit the data with more efficiency. So next we have defined our neural network model, that is this is our main model where the prediction is going, where the AI model is going to learn how to predict it. So by Keras we have two layers, that is this is a CNN with two layers with ReLU activation function, and an output layer with linear activation for regression. So the trained model is so the model is trained with 200 epochs and with a batch size of 64. So making more number of epochs increases the accuracy of the model. So I have taken 200 epochs. So we have plotted the validation loss versus the loss graph, and here is the graph. So this is our AI model, and this is saved as a .keras file extension. So this is our trained model. So now let us see how this works. So I have used the Flask to integrate the model with the HTML Flask app. So in Flask app I have defined some of the like Flask app helps us to show what we want to show in the HTML page, that is what input we have to give and what output the HTML page should give. So I have initialized what should be the inputs and what should be the outputs. Here the data is red, that is data is red, and the pre-trained model which I have shown previously is used here and loaded, and this will act as our main AIML model. So these are all inputs and outputs I have defined. So this is the main Flask app, and at last it will run. So I will run this. So this class cap gives me an local URL. So when I click on it, it takes me to the HTML page. So this is my HTML page, and so we can give here inputs as venue, batting team, bowling team, the batsman and the bowler. So these parameters will help us to makes the model to predict the score even if they have not played in like I'll show you example. When like let the venue be the stadium and batting team be Kolkata Knight Riders and bowling team be RCB. So here batsman and bowler are chosen. So when I press predict, it will show the score. So it shows the predicted score as 160. So let us change some of the parameters, like I'll change the venue. These venues are all pre-taken from the data set. That is all are in data set. So you can choose anyone from here. Let us choose any venue. Let us change the batting teams and bowling team. Now let us change the striker and the bowler. So let us predict now. So it shows the predicted score as 175. So this is my AIML model which helps us to predict the IPL scores. Thank you.